Hello and welcome to Kion Lab. Today we'll see steps for creating entity relationship diagram. So step number 1, identify entities. Entities are represented by rectangular box. Now how do you find entities if some information has come to you from the customer? So these are typically the nouns and noun phrases. Do not include irrelevant entities into your entity relationship diagram. So examples can be a person, a car, customer, product, gene, book, etc. So those entities will be represented into rectangular box with the name that has been called as entity. Step number 2, find a relationship. So it would be represented something like this. Entity 1, entity 2, relationship. It will be represented by diamond shape. These are usually the verbs that connects the nouns. So if you have a information, it will be you are supposed to find out the verbs in the given information. Sometimes you may have to discover some of your own. So all the time you can't find the verbs, so you have to find out some of the verbs on your own. Easiest method is to make the matrix of all entities across and fill the cells with the relationship. Example, customer Smith operates product. So customer Smith orders product. Customer and product, these are the two entities, and it is been these two entities will be related by this orders. So orders is the relationship. So I have here in this example customer and product. Customer and product. Step 3, draw rough ERD. Customer and product and orders, customer orders product, or product has been ordered by customer. So this is rough ERD. And to find out the relationship amongst two entities and between the entities, the easiest method is to form a matrix of entities across. So here I will write the entity name, customer and product, and here also customer and product. We'll see in the upcoming slides, and here we are trying to find out the relation. So customer and customer, there can be no relation, and product there is no relation. Customer and product, we can find out the relation. Self entity don't have the relation. So this is the rough ERD. Next, fill in cardinality. Now what do you mean by cardinality? It means type of a relationship. Now in the earlier case, you can have a customer can order many products. So one customer have many products. So there could be a one-to-many relationship. Or a single product can be ordered by many customers. So this can be a type of many-to-many relationship. So amongst every two entities or given entities, we are supposed to find out the types of relationship, and that can be like this: many-to-many, many-to-one, and one-to-many. One is not mentioned over here, that is one-to-one. Next, once it has been identified the entities and relationship, next step, define primary keys. Now how do we define primary keys? Now for each entity, try to find out the attribute which are uniquely identified. In the earlier diagram, we have found the two entities. Number one is customer and product. So how the customer and product has been uniquely identified. Customer is uniquely identified by his ID, customer ID. Customer ID. So no two customer have same ID. So customer ID is the primary key and it is been represented by underline format. Product have product name. Two products maybe have same name. So product name, rather we can take the product ID. Product ID is the primary key for this entity product. So that will be uniquely identified the entity to avoid the duplications. Now draw key-based ERD. So here key-based we are adding when we are trying to draw the entity relationship diagram. You are writing the entity and in the rectangular box and its relative attributes in the ellipse. So here I have customer ID, I have name of the customer, and keys are primary keys are represented underlined. So this is the key based ERD. Next, identify attribute. So this is entity and attribute. So this is step number 7. Next one, map the attributes. So do not duplicate attributes across entity. So map the attributes amongst the entities. Next one, check the result. Is the diagram a consistent and complete representation of the domain? So check the domain of each attribute in the respective diagram. So this is all together the steps of the drawing entity relationship diagram. The first one is finding out entities. Second one, relationship. Third one, finding out attributes. Next one, finding out keys, whether it could be a primary key or foreign key. Then mapping the relationship. And the last one is, if there are many dependency, remove that type of mapping. So this is all together steps of drawing entity relationship diagram. Keep watching the video if you liked it and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.